What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Worms with Rick. I haven't checked in on this bin in a while, and today we're going to hop in and check it out. Let me see. Just looking to see if I see any. No tiny worms or anything on that. Ooh, there's a nice big boy. It's got the swollen clitellum. So, it's been at least a month and a half. I have given it a little bit of food, but nothing kind of too crazy. Oh yeah. Let's get deep. Oh, it's egg cartons. I'm looking, I'm going, what did I put in here? Guess I put a lot of egg cartons in. Oh, here was something. I don't know what it is. Okay. Well, I do have a nice big feeding for these guys, but I am going to add some more bedding. I just have shredded cardboard boxes and the brown paper bags. And then I have some natural items. A master gardener friend of mine gave me some dill, so I was able to strip the seeds off of these heads. And then I harvested some corn. So I have some of the husks and the silks I'm going to put in there. And then I have some corn on the cob. Well, some cobs from the corn on the cob. Broccoli tops. A little bit of cucumbers. Quite a few corn, as you see. So we'll just kind of put that like that. And unfortunately, I'm down in the basement, but I did add a bunch of grit the last time. So I will add some of this fresh bedding and try to kind of incorporate a little bit of the old bedding on top. And then just kind of bring in some of that new bedding. So definitely hope to get down here in about a month. I'm thinking the next one, maybe 3 weeks. We'll see how it goes. But, you know, very happy with how the worms are looking. They're still doing a good job. Like I said, I have fed this a couple times off camera. Gave them some watermelon with the last watermelon that I got. And then I've been slicing up another watermelon, so I'll have plenty of the melon to give the worms. If you guys have anything exciting going on with your worm bins, make sure you let me know down in the comments. If you have any questions, also let me know. Thanks for coming along and checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.